Let us now look at how we can display output on the Python idle. We will be using the print statement for this. Initially, we'll explore how we can print text and how we can create basic shapes without using any variables. Before we get to the specifics of the print statement, remember that all Python commands are case sensitive. That P in print is in lowercase, so be careful when you use it in your program or any command of Python to be clear. Let's have a little recap. During our first lecture, I asked you to open the idle and type in that print statement. In this, we have a command and text within inverted commas, which will be displayed on the screen. So what exactly is happening over there? In this, we have a command which is print, and the parenthesis will enclose all text, variables, and parameters. Whereas after the command is executed, the text and the values of the variables will be displayed on the screen and relevant parameters will be executed. This is basically how a Python command works. In general, you can say the same method applies to all other Python commands as well, such as input, def, and so on. But they are made for different purposes, of course. Nearly all programs in Python require the print statement. All results on the screen are displayed using the print statement. A user wouldn't know whether your program is executing or not without the print statement. It is a necessary part of any program which displays an output. Here are some examples where you can use the print statement. You can see the output of a triangle which I created using a Python program. Can you create the same? Also try and create those example programs in Python and see how they work.